When I was at Dollywood a couple of weeks ago, actually like a month ago at this point, I actually got to see a rollback on Lightning Rod, which is really cool because I've been to Dollywood a heck of a lot of times and never actually seen that before. So anyways, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. I should be able to upload a lot more videos now, and to kick it off, I thought I would share this recordings I got, this is what I was able to record of that rollback experience on my whole vlog from that day, as well as a billion other amusement park vlogs I haven't had time to edit yet, as well as a bunch of other unrelated things that are coming very soon. I got a lot more time in the coming few days and weeks, so see you then. But otherwise, enjoy this. Never seen a rollback in person before.
Alright guys, if I can have your attention real quick, Lightning Rod will be experiencing a temporary delay in operation. We are down for maintenance. We're not really sure how long this is going to take.
It's the same every time.
Go experience one of our other attractions.
Evac time. They brought like a box out there that I guess they plugged directly into the electrical system. And they just got the first row off. Here comes second row. Bunch of people leaving the line, but I'm gonna stay here. The guy that's riding with me, he said he's been here 3 or 4 times and hasn't gotten to ride it. So lots of people like that. There they go. He made it about halfway up and then rolled backwards. I've seen a video of that before. I haven't really seen it in person, so I didn't get my camera out quite fast enough. But as one of the employees said, we're now getting the true, authentic Lightning Rod experience. Last people just got off. They had like a thing they have to plug into every individual seat.
I've been running speed trials all day and needs a quick tune. We're gonna get on it right away. At this time, we don't have any time estimation on how long this will take.
I just did the swing launch thing, I barely missed it. Ended up getting into the front row after that wait in the station for just a few minutes, but yeah, I was gonna record more of what was going on with that reset and everything, but unfortunately one of the ladies there was very not happy that I was recording the ride while it was in maintenance mode. Apparently that's not allowed. Scary. So I stopped because I didn't want to get in trouble, obviously, but that is very stupid. It was only one ride operator that even like cared about that. Like the 2 others that were closest to me were like, yeah, you know there are people in the queue and on the pass step there that are recording it, so what is the big deal of recording it from the station? Which I would second, but yeah, whatever. They said it was the first rollback they've had in 2 weeks, so I guess that's a good thing. The more I think about it, the more stupid it is, because there's no posted signage to tell you that you're not allowed to record the ride when it's in maintenance mode. They didn't make an announcement to say that. Every other park I've been to, it's been perfectly acceptable to record a ride while any kind of maintenance practices are taking place. In fact, they think it's kind of cool that you're interested enough to record them doing that. This is the only place where someone has been genuinely angry and upset over me recording something like that, and they were very much not nice about it. So like I didn't do anything to deserve that kind of treatment. Like I said, I record that kind of stuff at other parks. It's not a big deal there. It's only a big deal here, and there was nothing to tell me that. Again, I did nothing wrong, so that's just a frustration. And like, they're so secretive about what they're allowed to tell you about the rides and stuff, whereas other parks I've been to, they've been a lot more open. Maintenance here is open, actually. I've talked to some of the maintenance guys occasionally, and the maintenance guys are pretty open, but the actual operators not really allowed to say anything. And honestly, all the secrecy just makes everything worse. Like, there are people that genuinely think that people have like died on Lightning Rod, which is absolutely ridiculous. Of course, nothing like that has happened. But the more secret you are about it and you don't tell anyone about everything, the only way you can find information about an extended closure breakdown is like on Reddit or some random idiot's YouTube channel. That just makes people more curious, and it makes them more likely to come up with crazy stories and believe the crazy stories, because the real information is not out there. And it doesn't help when you're like, oh, you're not allowed to record the ride while we're doing a swing launch. So what's so secretive about a swing launch, you know? Why would I not be allowed to record that? That makes it seem like something else sketchy is going on. I don't think anything else sketchy is going on. I think it's just a normal swing launch, a normal recovery launch. Like other parks do that on launch coasters. This is what they do here too. Perfectly safe, perfectly normal, but it's gonna make people think that something else weird's going on if you're not allowed to record, if you know what I mean. Because usually when you say you're not allowed to record somewhere, unless it's intellectual property like at a movie theater, that's different. But this is not that kind of issue because they let you record the ride when it's going. Normally, you get what I'm saying here? It sends the wrong message. So yeah, anyways, I'll probably just end up uploading this as a separate video as well, just because I think it's important. If anybody from Dollywood or that knows anyone that works for Dollywood ever sees this, like, please, I'm trying to be nice here, but like, it's like, please, it's not going to hurt your park or your business or your image or anything for someone to record a very normal, very safe, very standard protocol ride evacuation and reset. In fact, I think it'll do the opposite. I think it'll show people how these processes work in a safe and, that kind of thing manner. The more mystery that's around it, the more people are afraid. So I think it will actually help people feel more comfortable at your park if you're not so secretive about how this stuff works and if you let people actually record that kind of thing. But anyways, that was my somewhat frustrating experience at Dollywood TV. Hopefully we don't get anything else like that.